How to turn on an Android phone using the power button. In order to start using your Android phone and all of its functionalities, you will need to power on your device. If you think your power button is broken or that your battery has gone bad, your best option might be to have it repaired. However, there are a couple of troubleshooting methods you can try to use to get it back on. 1. Locate the power button. It's usually a single button located along the top or right edge of the phone. 2. Press and hold the power button. 3. Wait for your phone to turn on. If you have a security code, you will need to enter it before you can access your phone.